folks, got an Audi A4 2021. I'm going to change the cabin air filter. AutoZone STP brand CAF15012. Alright, I'm going to show you. It's underneath the glove box down yonder. There's two little clips that secure this little foam panel in the back. One goes in that hole, one goes in that hole. Just go and grab it. Just pull it out. Okay. Once you pull it out, your filter is in this little, this U-turn thing here. See this? Little plastic U. There's a clip over there you grab. Okay. Then there's a clip on this side over you grab. And the whole assembly is going to just come right down. So, let's see if I can show you this way. If I grab it from here, then the other one's in the back on this side. It's hard to do it with the camera reversed, but here it is over here on this side. Okay, oops. You can see all the dust coming out of it already. All right, so once this comes out, pull it out of here. You can see the filter. You can see the dirt is coming out of this thing. All right, let's get this out of here. I'll show you the filter starting to fall out already. That's probably what's holding it right now. Alright, let me put the camera down so you guys can get an idea. Okay, that's the piece right there. Mine is holding up right here in this corner. Let's find out why he's holding up. There it is. That's what's holding up right here. There's another little clip over here in the corner. Alright, just have to release it. And there is the filter. It's going to come out and it's curved. Right, so we're going to pull it out slowly. There you go. Pretty filthy. It's a Molly. Alright, let's see what the airflow, the way the airflow goes. You have to remember that's the way it goes up. Okay? Wow, look at this one. Yep. So you know the airflow goes this way, all right, because that's where the dirt is. Look at that. Fancy, people, fancy. Hasn't been changed in a while. So we know which way the airflow goes. We don't even have to look at it. All right. So here it is here, the airflow. So I'm going to turn it this way, all right, because that's where the dirty part is. So the airflow is going to go this way. So this is the way it's going to go up. Go up this way, like that, okay? Airflow, this way, because the dirt is on that side. So we're gonna fold this up just like that with a little curve, and we're gonna shove it up in there, and we'll put the cover on. All right, I'm gonna look underneath, make sure there's nothing under there, any dirt. Doesn't look like any. All right, I'm gonna tuck it in there. Let's do that. I might need two hands. Yeah, I give Audi this. The right side seat goes pretty far back, so you can get the whole freaking body in there. All right. So yeah, two hands. You wiggle it on there, and there she is. All right. Now we're going to finagle the cover back on, and then we do the foam panel with the two push pins. All right. So that's it. That's where it goes. Let's go do that, and then I'll show you that. There you go. Snapped on. Okay. Two little clips there. That holds it. Now to put the foam piece on. Only goes one way, because the fat side goes on this side. Alright. So you can just tuck it under the dash, because it goes underneath. And then you pull it forward to line up the little holes for the push pin. All right, that's it. Put the push pins in. Once you stick your head in there, figure out where the holes are, and you are good to go. Da-da-da. And that's it. All right, there it is. They got little pins there, like looks like. So that's where it's gonna go. Right in there. That'll support it. Oops. That will support it once I push it in. And that's it. All right, and then clean up the mess from there. Just gonna pick up the carpet and toss it out. Toss out all the dirt and put the carpet back. All right, so that's it. Cabin air filter. Think it's filthy? Oh yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao. Yeah, not too clogged there, people. Just think. How do you breathe this stuff? All right. Change your filters, people. Don't assume that they're good and they're clean. Okay?